Hello, friends. This is Harit, and I'm waiting for all the Tripura people who are victim of that 10,323 scam. And I will take around 2 or 3 minutes so that all of you could come online. Uh, like I would take around 2 to 3 minutes. Like after that, I would start speaking on the issue because you people can come online, you people will be able to come online so that I could deliver my message appropriately. uh, Guys, I know that you people are suffering, and I know that you are hardly devoid of any money, you are devoid of food, and you are devoid of medicines. You don't have money to feed your kids, you don't have money to pay your monthly EMIs, you don't have money to pay your food and that expenses, the daily expenses. Today I'm gonna speak on the issue of press note and media. Okay, guys. Today I'm gonna speak on the issue of press note and media, and I would take around 1 more minute so that more and more people could come online. Uh, I feel, guys, I feel, and I feel very responsible, because I have felt that some people are treating me as a last hope for them. Some people are saying that I'm kind of a messenger for them. It's not like that. I'm a media person, and definitely, uh, at any cost, I'll try to help them. I have made press notes. I have made around 5 to 6 press notes. Okay, and one more press note is left, which I will be completing by tomorrow. I will be accomplishing that press note by tomorrow, and after tomorrow, that press note task would be completed, and after that, I would be releasing that press notes to the all media of Delhi, NCR, and I would be releasing these press notes to Aaj Tak, India TV, ANI, you call it Asia News International, PTI, Press Trust of India, G News, NDTV, News 24, and other related agencies. So I would be doing that task by tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So apart from it, as I told you yesterday, that I need one person from IT. I'm I'm requesting to all 10,323 people, uh, as is anybody available so that I can do that IT work appropriately, because that is a huge task. That is a huge task. I need a team. I need a 4 to 5 people. One guy would be working for IT, and one guy would be calling to the different journalists. Definitely, I will be uh, providing all the numbers of the journalist, because I'm also a working guy. I'm doing a day job, 9 to 5 job, and I'm not available at that time. So I'm asking you, I'm requesting you that would you be able to give me 4 or 5 guys so that one guy could be calling to, or would be calling to, all the journalists and telling them about our issue, like that issue 10,323. I will be giving you all the contacts of the journalists, like all the correspondents from Times of India, Indian Express, the Tribune, Jagran, Punjab Kesari, and all the related Delhi media. Okay, so because I'm only one person, and I can't do all the tasks, by myself, so I need 4 to 5 person. One person who would be available for the IT, information technology, so that we can release a officially a campaign for the fundraising, so that we can so that fund can be raised for these 10,323 people. And moreover, furthermore, I need one person for calling. I would be giving that person, like, who would be kind of a spokesperson from your side. I would be giving one person. I would be giving all the contacts numbers to the one person, so that he would inform all the journalists. Definitely, here I'm working. I'm sending the press notes. But I'm not talking to the journalist. So I need a person who would be able to call them, because I will be on the meantime. Suppose I'm sending them press note. On the same time, you need to call them also. I need one person who would be able to call them also, that yes, we have sent the press notes to you, and this is the issue. So this is the issue, and that issue, you need to tell them this is the issue. Like, verbally you need to tell them that issue, and I will be sending that issue to them via press note. So manually and verbally our task will be accomplished then. Okay. And apart from it, I would be saying that definitely we have gotten the time to meet the education minister of India by the next month, between 16 August to 20 August. So do not worry at all. Partly owing to corona, and partly owing to some delay in the bureaucracy, and that all meetings, so some our meeting has been delayed, but we got the time by next month, so you do not worry at all. And so like definitely, we needn't to be on defense side. We have to be on the attacking side. We need to send them all the press notes. And we recently, like, I have come across a lot of people whose last hope is me. And that is, no doubt, I feel good. But moreover and furthermore, I also feel a little bit pressurized by these kind of responsibilities, because these are 10,000, more than 10,000 people. And and with the biggest responsibility there comes with biggest power there comes biggest responsibility. So like, it's sometime it is like, I'm on stress too. And I feel very bad that I'm not able to give you all the things. I'm not able to give you all the things like saturatedly, but definitely I will love to give you all the performance. I'll love to accomplish all the tasks on the time. So I need one person from the IT. Moreover, I need one person who would be able to call, and who would be able to approach those media, mm, on phone. And I will be sending the contact number to that person. And also I need one spokesperson from 10,323. And definitely, I have read about the issue. I know all the sections, and I know I've read all the judgments. But still, because I'm not a victim of this process. I'm not a victim. You people are the victim. I'm the mediocre. And definitely, when we will be going to the ministry, and we will be talking to the minister. So by the one person is me, that I would be talking and to them. But because we don't have so much time, because and they would be giving us only 10 minutes, hardly 5 minutes, or maybe it might be 12 or 15 minutes. So definitely, in the 5 minutes I have to speak, and I need somebody who would come over there to speak on the issue, and also he would get around 5 minutes. So because this is what I feel, that you guys would be knowing more than me about these 10,323 issues. So though I know all the basics of 10,323. And apart from it, I would say that I need one person for the calling. I need one person for the IT. And I need one spokesperson from your team. And yesterday I have released a message to Mr. Kabal Devnath. Mr. Kaval Devnath, and there is one more guy from Chaudhary, Mr. Chaudhary. I call him Mr. Chaudhary. So these are two guys with whom I have talked yesterday, and I have talked to them about protests, that what are your coming projects, how we have to deal with these protests, and how we have to deal with the government. So see, sometimes strategies and making strategy would be helpful for us, and sometimes over aggression and over exaggeration of words could be lethal to us. We have to be soft to them. They people are politically correct, and they people are diplomatically correct, so we have to be diplomatically correct as well. Okay. And the diplomacy is the most prominent part, and definitely we also have to show them a kind of good gesture, and we have to show them a diplomacy, a sign of a good gesture, and vice versa. So I hope you understood my all points, and I hope you would be able to get your tasks accomplished. And I wish I would be able to accomplish my task. And slow and steady win the race, as you all know that we have read in our childhood that slow and steady win the race. So I'm not a guy who would be showing extra aggression and over exaggeration of words. And then you would be thinking, suppose if I get failed, then definitely you will be speaking about me that this was the Harith you are speaking so highly of. This was the Harith journalist who you would be speaking so highly of. This was the Harry you were speaking so highly of. So no, I don't like this over aggression. I go with strategy, proper planning, and definitely I'll get my task done once I got to meet them. And definitely I got some good acquaintance with some journalists of Delhi, but do not forget that thing, that I know them. I had acquaintance with them, I had a good touch with them, but they are not my friends. They show all the news, like Delhi media, they show all the news as per their convenience, and as per their PR market, and as per their market values, and as per their TRP. Like they are hankering after TRP only, television rating point, as you all know that. All the leading media agency like Republic Bharat, Times of India, The Tribune, and Aaj Tak, India TV, NDTV. Uh, Not to speak of Aaj Tak, even not to speak of Aaj Tak and G News, even NDTV, and they are also hankering after. They are also pining and longing for the TRP. So like unless and until we would not be getting that deserving TRP, unless and until we are not associating that spice to this story, that we have to spice the story of 10,323, only then they would be able to show it on the national media. So like for that task I'm here, and definitely I'm spicing the whole task, and definitely I'll get it done, and definitely I'll get it done by next month. So you do not worry at all. And I know some people from Delhi media, but they are not my friends. Okay, I'm having good acquaintance. I'm having good hands in gloves with them, and definitely I will make your task accomplished. But remember that my task is to get your thing to Delhi media. End of the day, it is in the hands of Modi, BJP led government. Only Modi will take the final decision, because elections are coming near, and definitely they will have to do something for these 10,323 people. They will have to do, because they this is bound to happen, I would say. This is bound to happen, and you people are bound to win. I'm mark my words, you people are bound to win. And there is bound to be a victory. There is bound to be a victory for 10,323 people. And you will not have to forget. Then slow and steady win the race. And uh, in starting, truth may in starting, uh, the falsehood may win, but end of the day it is the truth which gets win, and which gets victory. So end of the day you will get the victory, and I do not have any second doubt in that. and uh, I've got a lot of people talking to me. They are saying that we are not we are not getting we are not having money to feed our children. We are not having money to for the medical of our children or on our family, because uh, on every working person, there are 4 to 5 person which are dependent on them. So definitely I can do one more task to them, that definitely if I can, because Tripura is very small state, and you do not have a lot of job options there. That till the time you do not get your job back, I'll try to manage some jobs for you. So, like, if you send me your resume, like, it will take, the process will take around 7 to 8 days, definitely. And if you guys send me your updated resume, a curriculum vitae, then definitely I will try to scout some good job for you. I'll try to find out some good job for you, but in Chandigarh, Mohali, in North India, because I do not have that much connection in Delhi and in Northeast. So I'll try to find out some good jobs. Like the job would be uh, somewhere between and the job would be somewhere between 15,000 to 20,000. And in case if your English is good, then you will earn around 25,000. So you guys, if you are hankering after, and if you are scouting for job, then I may also help you in finding jobs. You send me your updated resume, so that I would be able to get you jobs. And I hope you understand my point, that you send me your updated resume. Not now, but after 7 days, I will be giving you a number, and you send all your resume, updated resume, on that number, and then you will get a good job in North India. But in North India, you will have to relocate, okay? Because sitting on Tripura, like you are not able to pay your bills, and you are not able to feed your children. So I would be I'll try to scout good job for you, and no matter how much jobs you want, definitely I'll provide you. I have good connections, and I'm having good nexus with some leading and multinational companies in Chandigarh, in good companies. So I'll try to find out some good job for you. So, what may I do? This is what I can do for you. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best for you people, and you might have no. There will have been some misunderstanding. See, if I speak about BJP and your communication with the BJP, then there will have been some misunderstanding between you and BJP. And definitely our task is to wipe out that misunderstanding, because they people are, I tell you this, they people are technically very much correct, and diplomatically very much correct, and we have to be diplomatically correct, okay? So you have to keep patience, you have to move according to plans, and we are going to win. Victory is bound to happen for 10,323. And we have gotten our voice reach to NDTV office. Very soon we are going to talk them. Very soon we are going to meet Education Minister of India. Very soon we will get an appointment with one of the leading cabinet ministers. It might be Amit Shah, it might be finance minister and education minister. We have gotten already. And third thing, that I need 4 to 5 people, so that we can be able to call them directly, because I am sending them only press notes, I'm not talking to them on phone. I will be sending all the contact numbers, okay? And the person from that 10,323 would be calling them, okay? And would be telling them the issue, that this is the issue we have been facing, and we have been getting harassment since last 16 months. We do not have any money to feed our children. We do not have any money to sponsor our medical expenses. So you need to tell them this thing, and I will be sending these thing via press notes. The meeting would be arranged on the next month between 16 August to 20 August. And only, right now, we have gotten the appointment with the Education Minister of India, and I will be approaching them continuously at a stretch. And suppose if I got some another appointment with some another minister, I will let you know that yes, we have also got one more appointment with one more ministers of the BJP cabinet. Okay. So I hope all my strategies are clear to you, and definitely I'm telling you that victory is bound to happen, and you people are bound to win. And so I wish that you and your family would always be happy. I personally pray to God for you people, and definitely I'm not gonna leave you till success. I'm not gonna leave you till success. Okay. So have a nice day, guys. And yes, mark my point that within 7 days I'm going to establish that thing, that if somebody wants job in North India, then do send me your resume by next month. I would be able to provide them jobs. Okay, so that they would not be unemployed and they would be working somewhere. At least you would be able to earn some money now. You would be able to earn some money, so that you send back those money to your family, so that they would be able to feed your kids. So I hope you understand all my points. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.